Hello, Randall. So I have created the demo for calendar events. So here I have added the start and end time of an event and event title, description, location. It's up to you. It's optional. So guess you can add multiple people or one person. So this has two options: whether you can create or update an event or remove a event. So this is not like the G calendar, the add-on, so it will not auto sync. Um so you can trigger them at once whenever you need them. I'm going to share this sheet with you so that you can also give a try. So I have already created few calendars. So here you can see them. Let me delete or wait. So we'll use the existing system. So for this, you will have to select the rows, click remove events. Okay, so everything is clear. So let me re-add the events. Okay, only the events which are selected, like you can select all or maybe it's one particular column. Only for those rows which are selected, it will work. So you can either create or update an event. When you click this one, so it is going to create the events. Let me reload. Okay, so these are created here, and also um, it will also trigger emails. I think for the other person who requires the um, calendar, they might receive it. Yeah, these are the events. So if you delete them, yeah, they will get a cancel event like this. And if you want to modify them, for example, this is set to 4:30 p.m. To 5:30 p.m. Let's change it to 5:30 to 6 p.m. Right. So this will change to 5:30 to 6 p.m. I have selected only one row. Let me click create or update events. Okay, so this is updated now. Okay, and they will also receive the email. And you can delete the rows, if you don't want to have them here, you can delete the rows, and if you click remove event or update event, nothing happens. So they are still here. They will not be deleted unless you trigger them, you want them to be deleted. Okay, so I think this is much clear, much simple way to and create events, and I think you have more control here. Let me know what you think. So I'm going to share this sheet with you.